Wow.
One look and I breathe. One touch.
Yes, people. Whoa. Welcome to the vlog. Hope you're all doing well. Has been a couple of weeks since our last vlog, so turn on the camera and just gonna take you through my day today. Things have changed recently, guys. I've updated. I've got a new version of a morning routine. Just take you through kind of the sort of norm right now. I've changed it all up a little bit in 2020. So as usual, guys, give this video a thumbs up before you even watched it. That would help me a ton and it'll let me know who is around for these vlogs, and also comment down below and just sit back, relax as usual and enjoy this video. Right, so every morning for the past 14 days since pretty much I say December the 28th, 29th, every single day for the last couple of weeks, guys, I've started to walk. The reason why I started to do this, guys, is because a couple of things, right? Since I did my lower back, as you remember, in December, I completely stopped doing anything. Didn't do any walking, didn't do any skipping, of course, any training. And over that period, I gained 5 kgs. 5 kgs, guys, like that's no joke for me, right? Beginning of December, I was weighing about 83 kgs, 84 kgs, which is my ideal weight, right? Then, all of a sudden, I went up to 90 kgs. Massive, like I didn't even realize it was happening. But it just happened over literally a whole month, and it wasn't extra eating or anything like that. It was just a lack of real exercise, doing my cardio, and my body just changed because it was taken out of its usual day-to-day routine. So this is why I've started to walk every single day, just to get my body some easy kind of, I guess, steps in the morning. Obviously good for the calories and all that kind of stuff, but it's also a good chance for me to just think, reflect, and plan out my day. So one thing that comes with kind of riding solo in terms of your entrepreneur career is that every day is different, right? You are the sort of master of your time, master of your day. It's a beautiful feeling, so no complaints about that. But what goes out the window is just that kind of routine that sets in, especially when you have a day job, which is just going to the train station, going to get your lunch, walking around the office. So you just don't get those steps in anymore. Like all of a sudden I'm just inside my office and I'm handling and firefighting business. So now I'm making sure that I get out, get these steps in, and it makes me feel better, guys. I'll be honest with you, it gives me a chance to really make sure I know what I'm doing for the day. By the way, in Norbury, you're always going to hear fire engines, ambulances, and police. So 14 days in, I already feel a lot more energetic, productive, and I'm a lot more clear and focused. That was my first job, guys. Domino's Pizza, right here, Norbury. Good times, man. My first job, used to work there every Friday, Saturday night, sometimes Sunday. It was a mission, man. It's so busy. Right, so here's the first stop, guys. If you haven't tried this, guys, chai latte with almond milk, banging.
Everything will probably go. In and out, one thought.
Yeah, as soon as I come out the gym, I'll give you a call, yeah?
Okay, perfect.
Nice one,
Thank you
Ines.
so much.
Ciao, ciao, ciao. Nos
Okay,
vemos.
bye.
Ciao, bye, bye, bye. So with this new routine now, in 2020, I'm making sure that I at least get to the gym. I try and get to the gym at least before 9 o'clock. So anytime before 9 p.m, I'm good, because then it allows my body to sort of just chill afterwards, just before I get settled down to go sleep. Right now, it is roughly 11:30. I'm meeting Joey, and I'm late. Sorry, Joey, if you're watching this. Now I'm going in really hard. I want to really pack on a bit of lean muscle mass and just see where that takes my body, how it makes me feel. And to be honest with you, I've been doing it for about 3 weeks now, 4 weeks, and I feel absolutely amazing. Today's weather is just taking the mick, man. Gotta go through these Star Trek security systems. This guy lurking. Always lurking. Yes, bruv.
How are you?
Sorry for being late, bruv. How are you?
Good, I'm good, man. We say live.
What are we training today, bruv?
Okay, some chest.
Some chest, yeah?
Chest gauge.
Yes, family, welcome to the commentary. So can you believe, guys, it's the first ever commentary where we're doing it just with a sole weight session. Like, there's no skipping today. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. Like, this channel will always remain skipping based, as you know, tutorials, fire workouts, and everything else around the rope. But I really want to also show you what's happening behind the scenes in terms of my own personal sort of training. And as I mentioned, I'm trying to build on some more kind of lean muscle mass, really, man. Like in December, I got up to 90 kgs, couldn't believe it. I'm now back down to 85 kgs, which is a really good weight for me, but I still want to kind of cut a little bit more kgs, but maintain that muscle. So I brought on Joey Scott from Cut Define Fitness. Hopefully you'll recognize him. We're doing a workout series every Monday on this channel as well, a HIIT workout, which is absolutely phenomenal. But Joey knows his stuff. We always work between the sort of 12 to 15 rep ranges. He always focuses on my form, my technique, my tempo, and I'm already seeing a lot more differences. So hopefully you guys can follow along on this journey. I want to really show you how my physique changes as well going forward. And this was just a quick kind of commentary just to show you what's happening behind the scenes, but I'm going to go into more details in terms of what the exact exercises are, the reps, the weights, etc. But as you can see, my chest is mad weak, guys. I don't really push massive heavy weights on my chest. I'm looking for an athletic build, of course, but my chest is the most weakest part of my body. My back is much more stronger. But yeah, then we just finished up with sort of some triceps, kind of like a tricep burner, like a quadruple set. This one I think it was a triple superset. But it's really cool working with Joey, and I've enjoyed kind of getting back into the gym. I haven't ever really used a kind of coach or personal trainer before, so here you can see he's sort of correcting my form, making sure I'm doing everything perfect, getting the right tension on the muscles, and I'm enjoying it, guys. I'm hopefully going to show you a lot more mix of skipping, of course, and my weights training. If you enjoyed this commentary, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you want to see more, and let's get back to the vlog.
The edits without shit, man.
It's gonna get Joey into YouTube, man. Get it done, bruv.
Later, man.
Laters, bruv. Smashed it. Gym done, folks. Check this out, peeps. That is the meal. Now doing some admin / software updating. Right, so next plan of action is to go home, HQ work. Right. So, back at the HQ, got a new poster on that door. It looks a little bit small for the door. I think I'm gonna put a frame around it. It's a cool photo. Anyway, basically back here at the HQ, gonna try and smash as many orders as we can out for the day. I am planning a pop-up today at a gym, and we've been invited by Energy Fitness in Bethnal Green, which is East London, and that was hooked up by Samra. So Samra from On The Ropes episode 2, if you remember her, sick boss skipper. But she is starting a kind of skipping class over there, which is really cool. So I'm going over there just to support, and gonna have a little table stand there. It's just a quick pop-up, nothing too major. Need to shower, come sweating, and get changed, get the table, get the setup, get the ropes. I'm gonna go down to East London. This photo speaks to me, man. I don't know what exactly it says to me, but when I look at it, it just makes me feel good. I don't know what it is, but I've got something with space. I love space, and obviously Muhammad Ali's Muhammad Ali. Then the way they've done the skipping rope has the space. It's just too sick. Love it. And that annoying feeling when you're late and you just get stuck at every single red light. What are we doing today?
We are at Energy Fitness in Bethnal Green. I'm holding my first event, skipping event with Roisin.
Sick. Yeah, everyone's got their ropes.
It's already started.
Like it, man. Oi! Bro, he's better than us, man.
I know.
Mate, it looks like this gym knows how to skip for real, man. I'm here, Shaz. Say what's up to YouTube fam. Thank you. There you go.
Athletics, I'm well excited.
Are you ready to fly?
I'm ready to fly. I'm not gonna lie. You and
Yes, love.
Samra have been
This is
inspiring
Shaz.
me to take it up. Thank
I'm
you
glad.
so much.
You're gonna say what's up to YouTube family?
What's up? Yeah, what's up, YouTube?
You're getting into skipping, my friend.
I've got Mayweather skipping rope.
He's
right
picked
here.
up the iconic.
I just learned how to skip in like 5 minutes, and
I saw some double unders there, man. Listen, big up. We're gonna get some skills today, yeah?
yeah, man.
Nice
I learned
one.
some more.
Who would have thought, yeah, a few years ago you'd be teaching skipping?
I know.
If someone told you that, you'd probably just be like, what the hell?
It's insane.
Alright, let's go. We're showing this double cross under. Oh, that was smooth. I got that. Get a high five, get a high five. Get a high five. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging.
Oh yeah.
Left me hanging nicely. Check out my messy configuration. I haven't even put these up straight. Well, boss. Oi! You are nuts, mate. Whoa! Shit. That's a core. Wow. That's it, touch, touch. 2 touches on each side and then round. Yeah, 2 touches. Footwork. No touch there. That was a touch. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, champ, winner. Winner, 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 winner. Well done, my friend. Well done. You have the choice. You have the choice of all those amazing, beautiful ropes over there. Well done, man.
Yeah.
Smashed it. Good footwork. Yo, people! It is now come up to 8 o'clock. You know what I love about this most, guys, is that this is someone who has picked up this skill in the last, what, not even a year, maybe a year or so, right? And she's become so good, people want to learn from her. And I hope at home, if you're in the gym and you want to teach this, go ahead, go for it. Become the coach, become the king in your gym. And yeah, man, shout out to everyone. So I'm gonna close the vlog off here. I'm gonna drive back. I don't know where I am. I'm lost in East London. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. A little bit up and down as always, but hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Listen, guys, I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace. Say hello, Elena.
Hello. Bye bye.
Bye bye. That's cute.